1.3 day 2, we're going to look at equations that have special solutions. So far when we have solved, every single equation we have solved has had one solution. Most of the time equations have one solution if they're linear, which all of ours have been. It's also possible that an equation can have no solution, meaning no x value will ever work, or infinitely many solutions, meaning many answers will work. Okay, the first example, all the equations have one solution. So this is what we're normally solving. Our answer should be x equals some one value, and it's going to be a normal equation. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the first one. Let's see, 5x plus 7 equals 2x plus 4. We normally look for the x, but there's an x on the left side and there's an x on the right side. So let's cancel off the x's. I am going to cancel off the x on the right. So since it's a positive 2x, I'm going to minus the 2x. Then make sure you do it to the like terms. Okay, 5x minus 2x is 3x. I'm going to bring down the plus 7. The equals 2x minus 2x is 0. And let me bring down the positive 4. Okay, now it's a normal two-step equation, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel the 7. Four minus 7 is negative 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, so I get x equals negative 1. I got one solution. That solution is negative 1. It's the only solution that will work. Okay, I'm going to do the same on the next one. Oh, but there's parentheses. So let's go ahead and distribute first. 3 times x, 3 times 3 is 3x plus 9. 5x equals. Okay, now there's a 5x on the left. There's a 3x on the right. The right side also has the plus 9. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the 3x. So I'm going to minus the 3x. Since it was positive, do it on the left. 5x minus 3x is 2x. Bring down the equal sign. 3x minus 3x is going to cancel. Then I'm going to bring down positive 9. Okay, let's divide by 2. Okay, 9 divided by 2 does not go evenly, so let's leave it as an improper fraction. It doesn't simplify, so I'm good leaving it like this. So there was only one solution for that equation. That equation happened to be 9 over 2. Okay, now the next equations are going to have no solution. Now we don't know it's going to have no solution going in, so we solve it like normal until something happens to cause a problem. Okay, so I have 2x plus 7 equals 2x plus 4. There's x's on both sides, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel the x's off. I'm going to cancel them off the right side. Since it's a positive 2x, I'll minus 2x. And do the same thing on the left side. Okay, now if I do 2x minus 2x, it cancels. Let me bring down the positive 7 equals. Now if I do 2x minus 2x, that also cancels. And I'm going to go ahead and bring down the positive 4. Okay, now I got 7 equals 4. 7 does not equal 4. There is no land in which 7 equals 4. Since 7 does not equal 4, this is no solution, because this equation leads to a false statement, and it's never ever going to be possible that 7 is equal to 4. So this is the situation when you're going to get no solution, when the x's cancel off and you end up with a false statement. Okay, the next one's also going to be no solution, but we don't know that till we start it. I see parentheses, so let's go ahead and distribute first. So that was at 5x, 5 times 3, 15. I'm going to bring down the 5x and the equal sign. Let's see, what should we cancel? We've got to cancel x's off one side. Let's cancel them off the right. I'm going to minus the 5x. Okay, if I do 5x minus 5x, we say they cancel, but there's nothing left over there. I have to put something there. So if I do 5x minus 5x, I actually get 0. There's nothing left over there. There has to be something on the left side or it's not an equation anymore. Okay, now on the right side, 5x minus 5x cancels, and then I can bring down the 15. Okay, so the x's are gone, and 0 equals 15. 0 does not equal 15. There's no chance 0 equals 15, so this is an equation that has no solution, meaning no value of x will ever make this statement true, because this equation is an outright lie. Okay, the last scenario is that the equation could have infinite solutions. But again, you don't know it's going to have infinite solutions until you try to solve it, so we're going to solve it like normal. So I have 2x plus 7 equals 2x plus 7. Since there's x's on both sides of the equation, I'm going to go ahead and cancel the x's off the right side. Since it's a positive 2x, I'm going to subtract 2x. I'm going to do the same on the left side to the like terms. Okay, 2x minus 2x is nothing, and I'll bring down the positive 7 equals. And then on the right side, 2x minus 2x cancels, and I bring down the positive 7. And I get 7 equals 7. I mean, 7 does equal 7. 7 will always equal 7. So this is the case where there's infinite solutions. For this particular equation, no matter what number I plug in, the equation will check. So in this particular equation, every single answer you plug in will work. So there's infinite solutions because it's always true. Let's try the next one. Okay, I see parentheses, so let's go ahead and distribute. 5x plus 5 times 3 is 15. I'll bring down the left side. Okay, and then I'm going to solve it like normal. Since there's 5x on both sides, I'm going to minus the 5x off. Okay, cancel, bring down the 15, equals. Cancel, bring down the 15. So weirdly, the x is canceled, which means it's either no solution or infinite solutions. 15 equals 15, that's true. 15 always equals 15, so there's infinite solutions. No matter what number I plug into this equation, it will check, and it will be a valid answer. Okay, so on the practice problems, they don't tell you what the answer is going to be, so you need to solve it like usual. And then occasionally, you will get an equation that has no solution or infinite solutions. But most of the time, we should end up with one answer. So go ahead and try those, and then check your answers on the calendar later.